and it is giving chic, rich girl energy. It adds so much texture, depth and layers to an outfit. I mean, I think we all know what these ones are the dupe for. Okay, so here are the shoes on. So it's a really easy outfit to recreate. I am obsessed, and you haven't even seen the best bit yet. I am literally like screaming, crying, throwing up right now. Good evening and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I have a new look try on haul, and with the new season coming in they had so much to choose from. I can't wait to show you all the pieces that I picked up, so without further ado, let's start today's video. For my first item in today's video, I picked out the cream striped boucle A-line mini skirt. I got this in a UK size 8 and it was £29.99. As soon as I saw this, I had to add it to my basket. I just think this looks so classy and elegant. I really like the fact that it is in this boucle type material, just because them textures are really gonna upgrade an outfit and make it look so premium. For the price tag, you can't go wrong with this skirt. It feels really high quality. I'm loving the colours because it makes it very versatile, and this one will go with absolutely everything you own. Another great thing about this one is you can wear it throughout all seasons. So let's try it and see what we think. Okay, so here is the first item on, and I love this skirt. I think this is going to make a great addition to any wardrobe because you can style it in so many different ways. I've literally just paired a cream commence jumper and some heels with this. This is giving more of like a glam look if you're going out or something, but you can also make this super casual and dress it down with a pair of sneakers or something. But this one fits amazingly. I just went with my normal size and I would recommend you guys doing the same. It comes to a perfect length, and with it being quite structured, you know there's no chance of this one blowing up. It has got a hidden zip down the side, so it makes it very easy to get on and off, and it does feel very well made. But yeah, I absolutely love this one, and it is giving chic, rich girl energy. For my next item, I picked out the pale grey collarless soft jacket. I got this in a UK size 8 and it was £36.99. I think this shape is so gorgeous on this jacket. I think it's going to be perfect for springtime because the jacket itself isn't too thick, but it's still going to add a layer and keep you warm when it's still a little bit cooler outside. I'm not normally a silver girl, but I do really like the silver buttons against that grey background. I think it's very effective, and if you are a gold jewellery person, I probably wouldn't pair any jewellery with this. I don't think it needs it because the jacket speaks volumes for itself. Another one that looks very premium and feels of really good quality, and because of the colour, you can pair it with absolutely everything, making it super versatile. So let's try it and see how to style. Okay, so here is the outfit on, and I've just paired a little turtleneck vest underneath this jacket. I'm so happy that I did that though, because normally I don't really like collarless jackets on their own. I just think they look really boring, a bit bland, and they don't do anything for the neckline. But now that I've added that, it adds so much texture, depth and layers to an outfit and makes you look like you know what you're doing when it comes to styling. So I'm really loving this look. It looks very premium, and the quality of this jacket feels amazing on the skin. It's super comfortable to wear, and I did just go with my normal size. The fit is great, so I would recommend you guys doing the same. You don't need to size up in this jacket because it's going to be like springtime soon. You're more than likely not going to be pairing big chunky knits underneath, but even if you do, there is still plenty of room in here. But I really like this one, styled open. I just think it gives a really nice fit and shape to the outfit. But yeah, this one is a 10 out of 10. So that does lead us on nicely to the next item, because I picked out these silver panelled faux leather trainers. I went with my normal size and got a UK size 5, and these ones were £29.99. I mean, I think we all know what these ones are the dupe for, but I absolutely love these. I think this sort of shoe goes such a long way in your wardrobe, and for the price tag, you can't go wrong. these ones look very classy. I'm loving the silver going down the side, and because of the colours, again, these ones will go with all of your outfits. But I did also pick these ones up in this burgundy colour, which I will be showing you a bit later in the haul, styled with a different outfit I'm showing you. But again, I really like this colour. I love the contrasting burgundy and white. I think that's very effective for these. And if you have got like burgundy tops or jumpers, if you style your shoes with it, it goes such a long way. So let's try these ones on and see how they feel and fit. Okay, so here are the shoes on. And oh my gosh, I absolutely love them. New look, take my money, and I'll have these in every single colour. How gorgeous. These are the sort of shoes that I would actually wear with this outfit because it creates like a really effortless everyday look. Whereas if you pair heels with it, it is giving it a bit more glam vibes. But this is a great like running errands. They're very comfortable to wear. They also feel a bit like spongy and padded. So you could wear these all day on the first wear and you know you're not going to get blisters. I really like these, and for the price tag, you cannot go wrong. But I'm not going to say too much about them because you can literally see them for what they are. Okay, so next up we have an absolute staple for the wardrobe. I picked out the white lightweight shirt. I got this in a UK size 8 and it was £17.99. If you don't own a shirt, like, have you been living under a rock? Because what have you been wearing? These go such a long way in your wardrobe, and I would actually go as far to say that this is an essential piece. This one is slightly sheer, but I do really like that for this shirt. It's super lightweight, very floaty, and this would also look so good in the summer or on a holiday as like a little cover up. But let's try it on and see what we think. Okay, so here is the outfit on, and I've just created a really effortless everyday look, but one that's very classic and you're never going to get bored of. No matter what age, you can wear this and it's going to look great. I've also just paired a little jumper thrown over the shoulder, a pair of jeans, and the trainers I've showed you in today's video, just because all of these items should be things that you do have in your wardrobe, so it's a really easy outfit to recreate. But the shirt, it does fit really nicely. I just went with my normal size and I would recommend you guys doing the same. It's got a really floaty and loose fit to it, but I really like this one, and it's such a great addition to the wardrobe if you don't own one already. So we've now reached the final item in today's video, and oh my gosh, she's giving cutesy vibes. But just before I show you, I wanted to remind you, if you haven't already, please do make sure you have hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to do and you can unsubscribe at any point. But we've got a Valentine's Day giveaway going at the minute, so all you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to me and you can be in with the chance to win a prize worth over £366. It will be a Fedoma necklace, Fedoma earrings and a heart tumbler, all ready for Valentine's Day. So good luck, but here is the final item. The Skinny Dip Strawberry Shortcake Knit Cardigan. I got this in a size small and it was £38. I am obsessed, and you haven't even seen the best bit yet. Look at that. If you've been watching my channel for a while now, you will know I love a big motive. And I mean, especially when it is this cute. I'm not sure if strawberry shortcakes was like your era. It was definitely mine, and I'm just loving it. I think this is going to create the sweetest little outfit, and because it is like a knit cardigan, it's just giving like comfy vibes as well. So I can't wait to try this one on and see how we style it today. Okay, so here is the outfit on. I am literally like screaming, crying, throwing up right now. It gives such a cool look, and they've done it in a really stylish way, so without looking too cheesy, and I am actually loving it. Really like the strawberry details on the arms. The knit is so soft and it feels of really good quality, so it is keeping me warm, but I am loving the shape of this one. I think it adds so much to an outfit. I've just styled it with one button done up and then layered with the t-shirt underneath, and I just think it gives a really cute look. And also, I'm not sure if you've noticed, but I have got the burgundy trainers with this one. I saved this to pair all together just because the colours work really nicely, and I think it just upgrades the outfit when your shoes match your top. I don't know what it is. It just gives a really cool and like put together look, like you've really thought about your outfit. But yeah, loving this one. Would just go with your normal size in the cardigan. It fits great and would definitely recommend it. So that concludes the try on haul. I really hope you've enjoyed this one. I have absolutely loved it, and I cannot wait to wear this for the rest of the day. Like, I'm so comfy right now, so I'm just gonna sit, do my editing, and just look the part. But I will link everything that I can in the description box as well, so do make sure you check that out before you leave. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so it will enter you into the giveaway, and also you won't miss any of my future videos. But thank you so much, and I'll see you next video.